My name is Mariah. I have my dog, Hurricane, and my daughter, Everleigh, with me in the back seat. I was chilling out in some random person's driveway because I'm supposed to be buying something for them for my mom. Excuse if my eyebrows look like trash. I kind of did a trashy job on them, but I don't really care. I'm here to like start a channel to just for fun, I guess, like document my journey with my daughter and talk about how it's been so far and my journey with my dog. And then when I move in a few months, I'm getting my other dog from on my farm as well. And then I plan on breeding Hurricane this upcoming spring. And then when I grow up, I really think I want to like start a goat farm or whatever, like something for my two herding dogs to do. I mean, yeah, they're both sheep dogs, but I'm not really a sheep type of person, and I know how to milk goats. I learned how to milk goats a few years ago at the fair one day. But feel free to ask some questions or whatever, and if you want me to make a video on how I found out I was pregnant and how I told my mom and my labor and delivery story, just let me know and I'll try and make something happen. But I would definitely like to start this channel back up and figure out how to build a goat farm, I guess, and start goat farming with little dinky dwarf goats. Thanks for watching.